First Alert Weather is brought to you by the Medical Center.
Well, it was nice to get those temperatures above freezing yesterday, even though we did have a cloudy sky, and those temperatures hovering around the freezing mark right now. And we're getting a few reports of even a little bit of sleet starting to form back to the west of us. But as of right now, we're not hearing of any travel issues from this. Here's a look at it on First Alert live Doppler radar, and you can see the colors indicating a mixture of precipitation. It all mostly goes to rain once you get in to Tennessee, although around the Centerville, Tennessee area and back toward Dixon, getting some reports of some sleet there covering the cars and maybe some of the back roads, but they are only talking about a few icy spots on a bridge or an overpass. Same goes for back into western Kentucky. Was checking with the Paducah National Weather Service office there. They've only had very minimal reports of anything going on there. A lot of this, keep in mind, is not even reaching the ground. The radar beams are picking it up. You got to remember, when a radar beam goes up from a site, say Nashville or Paducah or Louisville, the beam goes up into the atmosphere and it sees that moisture, but near the ground it is pretty dry, so the moisture is evaporating before it even reaches the ground. That's why we see a lot of echoes here, but a lot of this is not even making impact. We're at 30 degrees right now. Let's check temperatures around the Mesonet sites. 31 Hartford, 29 Hardinsburg and Hodgenville, 28 over in Campbellsville, 27 down in Burkesville. You see 33 for Scottsville and Franklin, 31 in Elkton at this hour. And as we go to Rough River Lake, that's our hometown forecast pinpoint for today. We are calling for high temperatures to be in the low 40s before the day is over. Possibility of that little light mix this morning. Then the possibility of just rain showers as we warm to 41 in Hardinsburg, 43 for E-Town, 42 for Litchfield. By the way, the Kentucky Lottery Powerball jackpot for Saturday night now has jumped to an estimated $80 million, while the next Mega Millions drawing estimated to be at $20 million. A live view down Scottsville Road this morning. Cloudy sky to start, and there's that little bit of light precipitation trying to get going, but a lot of it is evaporating before it even hits ground. 30 degrees now with an east-northeast wind at 3. We go north to Litchfield. You're at 30 degrees, but it feels like 25 from our AAA Systems vantage point there in Grayson County, and up into Hart County, Munfordville, you're at 28. With a little bit of a wind, it feels like it's 23. 30, the temperature at the Bowling Green Airport at this hour. Still teens and 20s to the north. 30s, though, moderating air down to the south of us, which is certainly good news. In fact, we're 10 degrees warmer than we were at this hour just yesterday, and a lot of folks beginning to finally feel like some moderation in temperature is taking place. And you see all this here on the radar, all these echoes and variety of colors indicating a mixture of precipitation, but most of this is in the form of rain, especially if you head south of Memphis down into Little Rock. A lot of that is rain, and a lot of it, again, is not even reaching the ground. But eventually, we're going to find temperatures warming up enough today that whatever falls from the sky, either number one, may not reach all the way to the ground. Number two would be mostly in the form of rain, except for back to the west and southwest of us this morning, where we're seeing some reports of sleet. Here's that first piece of energy kind of riding along that front that's been wobbling back and forth, but the real energy with this system is still waiting way down into Texas, and it's going to make its presence known here as we get into Friday night and during the day Saturday. With this next area of low pressure, good solid rain chances here coming in. In fact, we could see an inch or more of rain before the day is done on Saturday. A morning mix possible, a little bit of sleet mixing in, but mainly rain showers, and 44 today. For tonight, a chance of rain showers and 35. Tomorrow, we'll shut off the rain for a while until late afternoon and evening. Then we'll see a 100% chance of rain during the overnight hours Friday night after a high of 54. 54 again Saturday with a 70% chance of rain likely. And then we'll get a break on Sunday, a nice day there, but scattered showers could end as a few mixed precipitation rain showers or even snow showers into Tuesday as some cooler air tries to work in.